Hi everybody, it's Alan Mendelson with another tax tip, and this one has a firm deadline to it, and the deadline is not far away from the IRS. Do you need to make an estimated income tax payment? If you do need to make an estimated payment for the fourth quarter, I'm sorry to say that the fourth quarter 2021 deadline to make that payment is coming up on January 18th. That's right, January 18th. I wish I could give you a more advance notice than that, but I can't. It's a new tax year, and January 18th is the day. Listen, if you don't have sufficient payments made to the IRS during the tax year of 2021, you could be hit with a penalty. Now, most of us make our payments to the IRS during the year through our payroll deductions. But if you had outside income, for example, you sold stock or cryptocurrency for a big profit, you may need to make an additional payment. If you're self-employed, you make these quarterly payments to the IRS. But even people who are not self-employed sometimes have to make additional payments to the IRS to avoid these penalties. Remember, the tax system is a pay-as-you-go system. So if you don't pay in enough, you can be penalized. And remember, January 18th, 2022 is the deadline to catch up on those underpayments. Now, here's some really bad news, and it's going to hurt the people who really shouldn't be hurt anymore. This year, as many as 25 million Americans could be in for a surprise. They could owe serious money to the IRS because they collected unemployment insurance benefits during the pandemic. These were pandemic unemployment insurance benefits paid during the tax year 2021. Now, unemployment insurance benefits are taxable. If you had withholding on your benefits, well then good for you. You may not owe the IRS anything, but many recipients of unemployment benefits during the pandemic did not have withholding because they lost their jobs and they needed all of that unemployment money that came to them each week. Well, now it's time to pay the piper. Yes, it's time to pay the IRS. And guess what? This year, there is no forgiveness of the unemployment benefits paid in 2021. You might recall that for the tax year 2020, Congress pushed through legislation so you didn't have to pay taxes on about $10,000 of your unemployment money. But there is no such deal for the unemployment money paid in 2021. So brace yourselves. You might owe the IRS a good chunk of cash this time around. Remember, it's always best to consult with a tax professional and call my friends at Legal Tax Defense for a free consultation. Call them at 800-231-3321. That's 800-231-3321. That's the number for Legal Tax Defense. Give them a call. They give you a free consultation. In many cases, they'll tell you that you're not a good candidate for them, so you won't have to pay them any money, and they'll tell you how you can fix your own tax problems yourself. So you can get a lot of valuable free advice by giving them a call. 800-231-3321. I'm Alan Mendelson. Thanks for watching, and watch again for my next tax tip for 2022.